Welcome to our guide on achieving financial freedom through Forex trading. In this video, we'll explore the world of Forex, its potential benefits, and how you can start your journey towards financial independence. But remember, trading involves risk, and it's essential to approach it with knowledge. What is Forex trading? Let's start by understanding what Forex trading is. Forex, short for foreign exchange, is the global marketplace for buying and selling currencies. It's one of the largest financial markets in the world, with a daily trading volume exceeding $6 trillion. The potential of Forex trading. So, why consider Forex trading for financial freedom? Here are some reasons. Liquidity and accessibility. The Forex market is open 24/5, making it accessible to traders worldwide. High potential returns. With leverage, traders can amplify their gains. Diversification. Forex allows you to diversify your investment portfolio. Low costs. Compared to other markets, Forex trading. Key concepts and terminology. Before diving in, you need to grasp some key concepts and terminology. Currency pairs. Forex trading involves trading one currency for another. Pips and lots. These measure price movements and trade sizes. Leverage. It magnifies both profits and losses, so use it wisely. Risk management. Crucial to protect your capital. Getting started in Forex. Ready to get started? Here's a step-by-step guide. Education. Invest time in learning about Forex through courses and resources. Choose a reliable broker. Select a reputable Forex broker. Develop a trading plan. Define your goals, risk tolerance, and strategies. Practice on a demo account. Test your strategies risk-free. Start small. Begin with a modest capital and gradually scale up. Continuous learning. Stay updated with market trends and news. Risks and caution. Remember that Forex trading isn't a guaranteed path to wealth. It carries risks, including the potential loss of your entire investment. Avoid over-leveraging, practice disciplined risk management, and never trade with money you can't afford to lose. Conclusion and call to action. In conclusion, Forex trading can be a powerful tool on your journey to financial freedom, but it requires dedication, education, and a cautious approach. Start small, learn continuously, and stay disciplined. Your financial future is in your hands. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of financial freedom through Forex trading. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Remember, success in Forex trading comes with time and effort. Stay determined, and best of luck on your trading journey.